In the hotel industry, Taski is a well-known brand that provides cleaning agents and equipment. It is a part of a bigger company called Diversey Holdings Limited. To make it easy to identify and use, Taski gives code names to its cleaning agents. These codes are based on the English alphabet R, where R stands for room care. In housekeeping, we commonly use Taski chemicals from R1 to R9, with each one made for a specific type of surface or cleaning task. Firstly, let's start with R1, which is a bathroom cleaner cum sanitizer. It can be used on all bathroom surfaces like the sink, bathtub, tiles, floors, fittings, and fixtures. However, in areas with hard water, R1 may not give the best results. In such cases, you can use R9, which is a stronger version of R1, specially made for hard water conditions. R9 is also effective on old stains and greasy or oily surfaces in the bathroom. Next is R2 is a general-purpose cleaner cum sanitizer. It's ideal for quick and gentle cleaning, as well as regular damp dusting of surfaces like cupboards, TV cabinets, picture frames, telephones, and tiles. Some people also use R2 for light floor mopping, but for regular floor cleaning and machine scrubbing, R7 is the better choice, as it is specially formulated for floors. Next we have R3, which is a glass cleaner that can be used on all types of glasses, mirrors such as windows, glass display cases, bathroom mirrors. R4 is a furniture polish which can be used on all wooden floors and furnishing like table, chairs, wooden cabinets, frames, and cupboards. Regular use gives the wood a nice, shiny finish. R5, it is a water-based air freshener which leaves behind a pleasant floral fragrance and helps remove bad odors from guest rooms, corridors, offices, lounges, meeting halls, etc. Next is R6, which is a strong toilet cleaner. It can be used in toilets and urinals to remove stains and keep them fresh. Well guys, these are the most commonly used Taski R-series chemicals in housekeeping. In interviews, you might also be asked about how much water to mix with these chemicals. In short, R4, R5, and R6 are used directly. No need to add water. For the rest, a general rule is, for regular cleaning, mix 20 milliliters of chemical in 1 liter of water. For deep cleaning or sanitizing, or for tough, old stains, mix 50 milliliters in 1 liter of water. Also, one chemical we didn't include earlier is R8. That's because it's not used for daily cleaning. R8 is a descaler, used for removing limescale. Limescale is a hard, chalky, white deposit that builds up on surfaces that come in contact with hot or hard water. For example, kettles, water heaters, coffee machines, shower heads, and taps. Well guys, that's all for the video. For full detailed instructions, you may check these videos.